What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony. Today we got some stuff from Canada.
Jivin' Pete says his new gal looks like a young Shania Twain's, and you just don't have the timbits to tell him that she looks more like Post Malone's fuck Dion Phaneuf's.
Yep, that's right, Canada. And I'm sure most of y'all will probably know kind of what it is. If you don't know, it is from Epic. Epic Adventures Outfitters is from Canada, and they make some amazing stuff. What's this one? We got the Wizard in, and we got the Kraken.
Release the Kraken!
Today we are going to be installing the Wizard.
The Grand Wizard!
This is going to be an awesome product. Another one we're going to do, probably not today, but probably this weekend, we're going to install the Kraken, and we'll do an unboxing of that. But today we are just going to do the Wizard. It's nice, simple, should be a simple install. So let's just open up the box and see what all comes inside of it. This comes with actually a pretty cool little bag. Obviously your three little, what you're actually buying is the actual tie downs or whatever where you're gonna put your electronics. And this thing comes with enough zip ties to hold down a fort. You get a lot of them for some reason, but I'm sure they're all there for a good point. And it comes with this sweet sticker. I actually really like it. It's pretty cool. If you don't know who Epic Outfitters is, that's the Ginger.
Hello, Gingers! The day of reckoning is finally upon us!
He's probably one of my favorite YouTubers, and it just makes me laugh. Go check out all of his stuff. No, he's not paying me. He didn't send this to me. I paid for this for my own money. I really enjoy watching this guy, especially I love his two-door Epic here. But anyway, it comes with a sweet sticker. So you got all your little, your hardware. Let's pop the hood and install it. So first off, we are going to disconnect this nut that's on the negative, and then we are going to completely remove the negative terminal, and then we are going to do the positive while the negative is also. We're going to be disconnecting the positive, the positive also. So nothing too shabby, but first let's get this done. So now what we're going to do, we are going to disconnect the positive. What we're going to end up going to do is grab the center one right here and disconnect it there. Now you're going to take your Epic that there, and then you're going to grab this out of the supplied bag that they give you with the a hex, or not a hex, an Allen key bolt. We are going to just tie down the positive. That's going to raise it up. So now we have these couple positives that we can use instead of using all these tied downs or whatnot. But let's grab a Allen key and it down. So now we're gonna get we're gonna put our positive back on, tighten bolt down, we're just gonna grab our 10 mil, tighten this down, So now with this long skinny piece with Epic facing towards the roof, we are going to this here. And retighten it to 13 down. And now this one is going to be for this is going to be for like your negative wires. So if you don't want to put them on here, if you run out of space, you can also run it down to the side. There's some negative terminals, or some grounds is what I should say. There's some ground connectors right here. We are just going to take this and basically put it right there, and that's it. Now that you got it all installed, which is very simple, you're just basically removing literally three bolts and adding some, but then you have this little hardware pack. When you get more, or if you start running out of like room for some reason, you have other spaces you also can use too. So that's what I like about it, and it wasn't that much, and it came in pretty quick. I know it was on back order for a little bit, but it's still time I ordered it. I think it probably took about a week to get in, or to my house. So what I would do is just keep these bolts and use your little wizard pouch. Throw it in there, throw it in the Jeep, put this in your toolbox. Just don't lose it, whatnot, so you don't have to run out to like Ace Hardware or whatever to buy some new ones. Simple install, and it looks good, nice and shiny in there. But it serves its purpose, so you don't always have to just disconnect the battery or disconnect the bolts from the battery, where now you just have to undo with an Allen key, and that makes life a lot easier. This is something that I wish the ZR2 had, or something like this too, but not a big deal. Definitely a good option for your Jeeps. So thank you. Next video we're gonna install the Kraken. That one's gonna take a little bit longer because that's gonna go underneath the seats. So stay tuned for that video. And about 2 weeks we're gonna go out camping, and yeah, I'm sure I got more stuff coming in and for the Jeep. So on that note, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.